Hi, today I'm gonna bring you a piña colada on the rocks. You'll need a piña colada mix that you can buy at any supermarket or liquor store and white rum. The way we prepare a piña colada on the rocks, we're gonna do 2 parts rum with 4 parts of piña colada. So you're gonna need a tall glass, an ice, and a shaker. I've already put in the ice on the shaker. So we're gonna do 2 parts of the white rum. With 4 parts of the piña colada mix. This is a piña colada on the rocks, shaken. 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna get to shake this really well. Make it really cold. And we're gonna pour the mix into our ice ready chilled cup. We're gonna garnish with a piece of pineapple and our cherry. And there you go. That is the piña colada on the rocks, the simple way, Julie style. Cheers!